Broad social change, new ways of thinking, and lots of technological innovation are needed to make the circular economy work. Logically, these can also support and stimulate modern society. New social norms and aspirations must emerge to support reduced consumption, speed up the shifts of products to services, stimulate the sharing of goods, and lengthen product lifetimes. All these things that support the circular economy will also demand that we invent, innovate, develop new technologies, and create new businesses. The circular economy requires stimulation of society's research and development and stimulation of the materials extraction and production industries. It demands the creation of new sectors to recover and process materials in circular ways. It requires design innovation and the creation of new business models to operate all these. And we must not forget that new policy processes must emerge for the circular economy. These include the design and negotiation of new policies and regulations to enable circularity that must also impede value destruction and pollution in the first place. New institutional frameworks must be designed and implemented to support systems that share or remanufacture products. There are also ideas that the creation of new systems to regulate both the linear economy and the emerging circular economy will create skills and knowledge vital to meet other global challenges, such as climate change adaptation. But we need to evolve more than just new processes and technologies. We must pursue new social norms and forms of engagement, and we need new social systems and institutions. In short, if we want a circular society, we must develop ourselves.